Welcome to our podcast, where we cover interesting and fascinating stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss largest chunk of the world's biggest iceberg to collide with land. The largest remaining chunk of the world's biggest iceberg that broke away from the Antarctic Peninsula 2.5 years ago could strike land this month, potentially making a mess of the waters of pristine South Georgia Island in the South Atlantic. Scientists have spent weeks watching this climate-related event unfold, as the iceberg, about the same size as the island itself, has meandered and advanced over 2 years since breaking off from the Antarctic Peninsula in July of 2017. The peninsula is one of the fastest warming places on Earth, registering a record high temperature of 69.35 degrees Fahrenheit. The warming has scientists concerned about ice melt leading to higher sea levels worldwide. The gigantic iceberg, dubbed a 68A, is on a path to collide with the South Georgia Island, a remote British overseas territory off South America. Whether that collision is days or weeks away is unclear though, as the iceberg has sped up and slowed down with the ocean currents along the way, said Geraint Tarling, a biological oceanographer with the British Antarctic Survey who has been tracking the icy mass. A collision is still uncertain, as the currents could carry the iceberg past the island, Tarling said. The currents around the island are complex, and it is still possible it may miss, Tarling said. The magnitude of the monstrous 4,200 square kilometer iceberg, its surface carved with tunnels, cracks and fissures. A number of smaller ice chunks can be seen floating nearby. The sheer size of the A68 iceberg means it is impossible to capture its entirety in one single shot, British officials said in a statement. Scientists fear that the iceberg, in hitting the island, could crush marine life on the seafloor. Should it lodge at the island's flank, it could block penguins and seals off from their normal forage routes to feed their young. A 68AI could also be an obstacle to government ships conducting fishery patrols and surveillance around South Georgia and the South Sandwich Islands, British officials said. Thank you for listening to our podcast. We have many more such compelling episodes for you. Enjoy them. Do share your opinion in the comment box and subscribe to us for more.